Security protocols verified. Classified systems are now online. Operational effectiveness achieved. Ready for global deployment. We utilize classified production equipment to integrate hardened electronics, ensuring battlefield-tested performance and operation.
We conduct military standard testing under combat simulation conditions, utilizing classified equipment to
check the alignment specs on Unit 3. Protocols must be exact.
Verified. Quality control is certified across all parameters.
Utilizing classified production equipment and military engineering protocols, we maintain hardened system integrity, guaranteeing effectiveness globally.
We're seeing real-time data integration from the simulation direct to the manufacturing floor.
This confirms operation.
Strategic logistics confirmed for Sector Gamma. Compliance is green. Acknowledged. Initiate global deployment protocols. Manufacturing is at 100% effectiveness.
Phase 4 manufacturing protocols are active. Initiate stress test sequence.
Copy that. Running combat simulation diagnostics now.
The integration sequence is complete.
Cross-referencing data streams now. Looks good.
Quality control confirmed. Sign off on operational effectiveness.
Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes combat-proven methodologies. We implement strict engineering protocols to
Production status check. Chassis welding complete.
Tactical performance metrics are green across the board.
Acknowledged. Preparing deployment protocols for Sector Gamma. Precision equipment hardening is successful. All tolerances are within spec.
Roger that. Weapons integration sequence finalizing. We are green for tactical readiness.
In secure production environments, advanced robotics ensure strategic precision, certifying every
All systems align with the certification protocols.
Confirmed. Hardened system integrity is nominal. It's ready for deployment.
Our classified production equipment implements military engineering protocols for hardened electronics integration.
All systems green. Performance verified. Authorization granted. Deploy the vehicle.
Quality assurance check passing current parameters.
tamper evidence seal engaged and verified.
Integration metrics are nominal. Guidance system is showing green. Confirmed. Laser scan complete. Ready for final lock.
Implementing military engineering protocols ensures combat-proven reliability.
Our classified manufacturing systems integrate material receiving and security clearance verification, implementing strict.
This sequence shows our classified production equipment validating defense-grade components, ensuring peak operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
Integration sequence initiated. Quality control standing by.
Defense contractor oversight confirms adherence to engineering protocols. Testing complete. Ensure operational effectiveness upon deployment.
Assembly line 1 is green. Initiating combat scenario simulation protocols.
Global deployment tracking confirms Global deployment tracking is active. Multiple routes confirmed.
Military engineering protocols active. Advanced materials processing at 50%. All systems green for global deployment. From secure development environments to global deployment, our classified engineering protocols ensure unparalleled operational effectiveness.
Check the stress tolerances on subsystem B.
Verified. All metrics are within spec for extreme environments. Good.
Initiate the final sequence diagnostic.
Tactical systems integration ensures we meet the military engineering protocols required for battlefield-tested performance and global operational effectiveness. Through advanced manufacturing and rigorous tactical performance testing, we ensure operational effectiveness across global military deployments. System integrity confirmed. All strict tolerances met. Operational effectiveness verified. Release for deployment.
Tower, this is 4 Lima 7. Request final clearance for classified payload ingress.
4 Lima 7, you are clear. Expedite the load.
The engineering protocols check out. We have certification compliance for the guidance systems.
Confirmed. The equipment is cleared for deployment.
Test sequence complete. All parameters within spec.
Combat reliability confirmed. Initiating deployment protocols.
Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes military-specific protocols for hardened electronics integration. Our facilities utilize classified production equipment, ensuring military standard effectiveness throughout the deployment process.
System confirms all advanced material specifications are validated.
Good. Prepare for immediate deployment sequence.
Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes military-grade
certification protocols are finalized on this batch. Excellent. Ensure operational effectiveness for the deployment phase. This sequence showcases our classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols to ensure
Vehicle A approaching final checkpoint.
Systems holding steady. Reliability confirmed.
Our advanced manufacturing sequence implements military engineering protocols, ensuring operational effectiveness throughout global deployment.
Running final diagnostic on the engineering protocols. We should have certification in 30 seconds.
Confirmed. The equipment is maintaining full operational effectiveness.
Implementing military engineering protocols ensures operational effectiveness. Classified equipment integrates hardened electronics, meeting all battlefield requirements.
Torque wrench engaged on housing bolts.
Sequence confirmed. Initiating diagnostic scan now. Scan complete. All parameters within specification.
Thermal stress levels are peaking in Chamber 2.
Maintaining standard protocols. Systems holding steady.
Vents are clear. Simulation complete.
System integration is a go. Harnesses secured. Phase 1 complete. Ready for power-up sequence.
Implementing classified engineering and testing protocols ensures operational effectiveness throughout manufacturing and global military deployment. Simulation confirms operational effectiveness. Aegis systems are green across the board. Drone systems activated. Combat readiness confirmed. Comprehensive validation protocols test complete system functionality and tactical performance specifications, ensuring operational reliability before deployment.
We have a downed asset at the red marker. Immediate reroute needed.
Confirmed. Initiating Project Crimson Tiger Supply Line B. Tracking system updated. ETA 0400 Zulu.
Firing sequence initiated. Tracking the energy signature.
Recoil stabilization is fluctuating. Adjusting the dampeners now.
Welcome to the Specialized Training Module.
We'll focus on integrating defense standards and classified procedures into our manufacturing protocols.
Successful defense implementation is confirmed. Our systems show synchronized continuous production, integrated quality control, and efficient logistics coordination.